Hey, what's up guys? It's Greg Luther here, and listen, we had an awesome day today. I want to talk to you as a real estate agent about how do you get one closing and turn that into 5 closings in a matter of no time flat. I want to show you a simple process that we've been using for a long time. I just finished up one of my first day of the mastermind today. Many of you know we have agents that have flown in from all over the country. We're doing a 2-day mastermind. Day 1 is done today. One thing that I've taught in the past is you've got to have systems and processes in place for your business. So you've got to make sure that you have some kind of process for the before, during, and after unit, before you're working with a client, during the time you're working with them, as well as after you're completed. What we talked about today is what I call the after unit on what does your closing process look like. So if you start to think about the fact that usually if an agent has a closing today at 2 o'clock, really their agenda is take my closing check to the bank and say goodbye to my client. In reality, there's 10 specific things you can do to make sure that you turn that one client into 5 clients where they're referring lots of business to you. I'm not talking about every client referring one person. That's very easy to do. How do we get them to refer lots and lots of people? So we covered that today. We had a full day training session today, but just about 60 minutes we covered on that one process, and it was phenomenal for the agents to see what other agents have done, what I've used myself, and how agents are able to duplicate their business over and over and over from getting just one successful transaction, turning it into 5. So I was able to record that session today. What I'm doing is we've done it over and over. I've just never documented it. I've never shown here's how I teach it, and then here's what happened the first 30 days from the agents that are utilizing that. So I recorded that little 60-minute session. It's really about 45 minutes total when we distilled it all down, and I'll be sharing that with some agents that are following us. So a couple of things. First of all, you want to make sure you're following this page. This is where you get some awesome information. We can show you exactly what to do to grow your real estate business. Make sure you're following this page, and most importantly, turn on notifications. You want to turn on notifications so you know anytime we go live. So anyway, I'm going to be sharing this. I've got actually my notes from the day today. These are the 10 things that we covered right here. So I'm going to be sharing that video information for those of you that are following us. By the way, if you're not an Inner Circle member with us, it's costing you closings every single month. I want you to watch a quick training that'll help you on exactly what to do to start growing your business right now using free marketing. That means you don't need any extra money. So you can go to getfastclosings.com and watch that quick training. Again, getfastclosings.com. Watch that training here this evening. That will get you making more money. I'll show you exactly what to do, how you can make money online, offline. If you're doing it online, you got to have your camera angle a little higher, or you're going to have some of these double chins like you see here. I figured I'm exhausted after the day today. I don't care. I've got 5 chins today. But anyway, check out getfastclosings.com. And again, if you're interested in learning how to really get yourself a closing, but then leverage off of that closing to build a raving fan following, I'm going to be covering that here very soon. You'll want to make sure you're following our page and you turn on notifications. I think it says something like, see this first, or something like that. That will help you tremendously in growing your real estate business. So we have another solid 2 days of training, or another day of training on this 2-day training tomorrow. All of the agents that are here are absolutely loving it. I can't wait to see the difference in their business as we've done over and over and over for the last 21 years. It's amazing to see that progression that they have. So hopefully you're out there crushing it today. You have a very strong marketing agenda for the week. You know exactly what you're doing to grow your real estate business. I want you to get that stuff implemented and make this one of the most profitable weeks you've ever had. So go out there and crush it today. Any questions you have, send me a direct message. I'm always here to help you out. I will be getting this video footage together over the next week or so and get some results for these agents and then show you, here's exactly what they did. Here's the 10 steps that they took to grow their real estate business. So I'm sure you'll find that helpful. Check out getfastclosings.com, and we'll plan on talking to you soon. I'm Greg Luther. Get more details on me at gregluthercoaching.com. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and we have a lot more information to share with you as well. I want you to do 3 important things so that we can start growing your real estate business immediately. First and foremost, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now, if you don't have a YouTube account, you can set one up. It's totally free, very easy to do, but you want to subscribe to this YouTube channel and then make sure you ring the bell. If you ring the bell, you're turning on notifications, so it'll let you know every time we load new videos and we load new training content for you nearly every single day. Now, additionally, I've got a big bonus for you because every week I choose one agent that I'm going to do a one-on-one coaching call with. Let me tell you how we choose them. You'll want to comment on this video below because every week we choose one person from the comments that I'm going to help them in growing their real estate business. So leave a comment below on the video that you just watched. What'd you think about it? Do you like it? Are you trying it? Is it something you're intrigued by or want more information on? Leave a comment below and we choose someone every single week that I have a one-on-one coaching call with. So 3 important things. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, ring the bell to get notifications, and then leave a comment on this video below. We'll plan on seeing you soon.